Here's a pretty nice little Case IH 8430. This one makes a 4x4 bale, 540 PTO. It's electric tie, so you just need one set of remotes to run the tailgate. It does have a bale ramp, so that way you don't have to back up every time you get done tying a bale off. You can just kick it out and go on again. Decent belts in it, a couple low spots in them, but nothing that's going to keep them from running. Good tires. Like I said, pretty nice little baler. We're going to have this one for sale right here. If you guys have any questions, just give us a call.